Welcome to my channel. I have a positive and negative review. Today I want to talk to you about this 5D white tooth powder. Sorry, the camera is backwards, so I'm using the front camera. Basically this is called 5D white tooth powder. The point of this product is to make your teeth whiter. I've used it for probably a month. I haven't seen any change in my teeth, and I'm not one of those people who are gonna zoom into my teeth. I don't feel comfortable doing that, and I know a lot of people don't feel comfortable looking at other people's teeth. Whenever I see a YouTube video people showing their mouth up close, I don't watch those kind of videos. I'm not judging, I'm just saying I'm not comfortable showing my teeth, and I don't like looking at other people's teeth up close. But this product is supposed to make your teeth whiter if you use it, but it doesn't work. That's my conclusion. You're supposed to put it in measuring cup. It's white. You put just a little bit in here, and then you take a toothbrush. This is brand new, I haven't opened it yet. But what you're supposed to do, I'll take this pen to demo. So you're supposed to wet your toothbrush, and then you put it inside here, and then you start brushing your teeth for up to 2 minutes. I haven't seen any changes in my teeth. My conclusion is that it doesn't work. This 5D white tooth powder doesn't work. It's sold on Temu. I can't remember how much I paid for it. It's not that expensive. Sometimes trying to save money on Temu, you end up losing money. Even though in this case, probably it was like $5. It's not a big deal. Maybe it is. I lost maybe $5-6. I wanted to come here on YouTube and tell people products that are sold on Temu that are not worth it. They advertise their stuff at very low prices, and then when you buy something, use it, it doesn't work. But to their credit, they have very good things that also they sell on Temu. For today's video, this 5D white tooth powder, do not buy it. It doesn't work. If you disagree with me and you've used it and it worked, I'd like to see your video. Leave a comment and a link below for a video where I can see someone saying that actually they use this 5D white tooth powder and their teeth are whiter than before they started using it. If you don't want to lose your $5-6, do not buy this product from Temu. They say you can see a difference in as little as a week. That's a lie. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, be respectful. If you're not subscribed, smash that like button down there. Yep, give us a like, and then also subscribe if you want to. I also have a playlist that you can watch. You're gonna be entertained. Take care of yourself and those you love. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I look forward to see you on the next video. Peace out.